In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up domain forwarding using GoDaddy. This straightforward process will guide you through each step to ensure that your domain is correctly forwarded to another web address of your choice. Domain forwarding is particularly useful when you have multiple domains and want them to redirect to a single location, or if you wish to simplify access to your site. Let's dive into it. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the GoDaddy website. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log into your account if you're not already signed in. You'll typically find the Sign In button in the upper right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and gain access to your account dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one, then log in. Now that you're logged in, look towards the upper right section of the page for the My Account drop-down menu. Click on it and a list of options will appear. Select Domains from this list. This action will take you to a page where you can manage all your domains. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the domains you own under this GoDaddy account. It's a convenient place to handle any domain configurations you might need. Locate the specific domain you want to establish forwarding for and click on it to bring up its settings. In this settings area, you'll see various options and configurations available for managing your domain. The next task is to find and click on DNS, which stands for Domain Name System. This section is where you manage all aspects related to your domain's DNS settings, including forwarding. Once you're in the DNS settings, look for a section labeled Forwarding. This is where you'll set up the actual domain forwarding. Within the forwarding section, you'll notice two distinct areas, one for domains and another for subdomains. Our focus here will be on the subdomains section. Here, select Add Forwarding. This option allows you to enter the web address where you want your domain to redirect traffic. Enter the URL you wish your domain to forward to in the box provided. It's crucial to double-check the URL for accuracy since a mistake could lead to your visitors reaching the wrong site. Once you've confirmed the URL is correct, take a moment to review any additional options that may appear, such as permanent or temporary forwarding. Choose based on your needs, though permanent forwarding is typically the standard choice. Once everything looks good, simply hit Save or Confirm, depending on the interface. Congratulations, you've successfully set up domain forwarding on GoDaddy. It may take a few minutes or more for these changes to propagate across the internet, so don't worry if it doesn't work instantly. Just give it a little time to update. That's all there is to it. The process is now complete. Happy redirecting, and thanks for watching.